Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the mask mockup in Pixlr. First, go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com. It'll give you a couple of options. We'll double click on this Playful Pixlr X1. Then we'll click Open Image to open the mask mockup. It'll ask us if we want to size down the mockup. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply to open up the original size. And we're going to be copying the design behind this mask. So we want to click on the bottom icon on the left hand side that says Add Image when you hover over it. And then click on Browse and find the design on the computer. It'll ask us if we want to add the image to the current document or create a new document. We'll click Add Current to add it to the current document. Now it's going to paste the design in front of the mask. We want it behind. So we'll just click on this three-dot icon in the bottom thumbnail in the Layers panel. We want to make sure that the bottom layer is unlocked. So when you click on that three-dot icon and it opens this layer menu, just click Unlocked so the layer is not locked. And now once the bottom layer is unlocked, you can just click and drag the top layer underneath the bottom and it'll put your design behind the mask just like that. And once you've done that, you can just click the Save button. If you did need to resize your design, you could hold down the Shift key to keep the design proportional and then just click any of these four corners to size it. And just click and drag until it's sized about right. If you need to, you can click on the image, kind of move it up or down to move it into place. We'll drag it to the top so it doesn't want to move our mask. And once we got it in place, we'll drag it back to the bottom in the Layers panel. Alright, now we'll click our Save button. If you're going to use this online as a thumbnail, like on Etsy, you want a JPEG version. So we'll click JPEG, and then we'll change the quality to 100. We'll leave it on high, and then we'll just click Download. It's going to tell us that the image was saved to the default download folder, and it'll even give us an option to change the folder where files get saved. If you wanted a layered Pixlr document, you could come back to the Save button again, and then just click PXD and then click Download again. And that's all there is to adding your design to the PNG version of the mask mockup using Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.